In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful, hello everybody, how are you doing? Hope you're doing great by the mercy and grace of Almighty Allah. My name's NA Saqib. I'm an educationist, spoken English and IELTS trainer. I've been training the students and professionals for the last 20 years at the platform of Genius Institute, Lahore. Dear friends, we are blessed to have once again Mr. Muhammad Usman Ali with us today, and he's going to give us some brilliant tips about his writing subtest of the IELTS. He's acquired 8.5 overall in general reading module and 7.5 in writing. So we love to ask him how he practiced writing and what were the tips and techniques involved. And what about task 1 and task 2? Task 1 is all about letter writing. It's either a formal or informal letter. And task 2 is about it's an essay. There are 5 different kinds of essays, and those are different kinds. What are those kinds? Opinion essay, advantages, disadvantages essay, problem and solution essay, and discussion essay, and double question essay. As per Mr. Usman's recommendation, or perhaps his revelation rather, he has told that he has encountered the double question essay in the examination and in the part 2 of his IELTS writing subtest. Now let's start talking about all that stuff. How are you doing, Mr. Usman? Are you feeling all right?
Yeah, I'm actually feeling very good. Thank you.
That's lovely. Now you got 8.5 overall in IELTS general reading module, and separately in each module you got also 8.5 in speaking, 8.5 in listening, but 7.5 in speaking. Sorry, I beg your pardon, in writing. So do you think the writing was difficult?
When it comes to time management, yes, and also I think 1 hour is actually too less to actually gather up all the ideas and to put them into a very formal way or informal way, and to present them in a way that it could be assessed. So as far as my speed is concerned, my brainstorming speed is concerned, I think 1 hour is a bit less. But yeah, I have friends, and we had candidates over here as well at Genius Institute Lahore who actually scored 8+ in writing
As well,
in
yes.
writing as well. But as far as my test was concerned, I scored 7.5.
I would say that 7.5 is not less band scores. It takes ages actually to make up your writing skill or develop your writing skill. Okay, now I would like to ask you certain questions about your what was your letter writing topic?
So I was asked to write a formal letter, being a citizen of a society, a particular society, and to write a letter to the council, local council, which the local council were actually making an airport near the society, and I was asked to write a formal letter to the council to not build an airport because it would have adverse effects on the society, and I actually had to give an alternative solution as well to them to tackle this problem.
Normally it happens that you are given a topic and 3 bullet points are provided.
Yeah.
You got to explain each bullet point in 1 paragraph.
Yeah.
And it was done by you quite effectively. That's why you got good band scores. You know that it's 1/3 of your band scores.
Yeah, so the letter writing is actually 1/3 of the writing band score, and then the essay writing that comes later on is it comprises of 2/3 of your band score in the writing module.
So, of course, letter writing is important, but your essay writing is even more important because it carries more marks, band scores.
Yeah, because also advisable by you as well that we should spend 20 minutes and if possible spend even less time on the letter writing, because that's only 1/3 of the score, and spend more time and spend more brainstorming time on the essay writing. And
so the planning is also the key feature of writing essay. Did you have a bit of timing for planning the essay before starting actually writing it?
okay, so the most ideal way would have been for me to spend 5 minutes on brainstorming for each part. So if it's when it comes to letter writing, I should have spent 2 to 3 minutes on brainstorming and then writing down my points on a separate piece of paper, on the back side of a paper, or on the writing exam sheet. I should have done that, but this was the only mistake I made. I actually didn't do that. I know it was advisable by you, but at that time, my gut feeling was to just start writing and get it done with, because the writing module comes
He
after.
forgot to plan, that's why he couldn't score 8 or 8 plus.
Yeah.
Anyway, 7 points is fine because it serves your purpose,
Yeah.
and you can get immigration very easy peasy. There is no any big issue for getting your purpose done now.
Yeah.
Now, I would like to ask you, I told you about letter writing. I gave you some templates. There are 5 wonderful lectures of mine which are recorded lectures, which are published one on YouTube. You can find them out on my YouTube channel in the writing playlist, and you'll be able to just get a lot of information about letter writing from those lectures. They are wholesome picture of your formal and informal letter, and I at the same time provided some wonderful starting points and the ending points of formal informal letter. They are like templates. They can serve your purpose well, and it will be really wonderful for you to learn from those lectures. Okay, and when it comes to essay writing, what was your essay topic in the examination?
So the essay topic that I was given was to discuss the increasing trend of people watching crime investigation TV and movies, TV shows and movies, beg your pardon. And it was basically a double question essay, and I was told to first discuss why this trend is increasing, and then to discuss the adverse effects or positive effects of such TV shows on the society.
There are 3 different parts of essay writing: introduction, body paragraphs, and conclusion. So there are very calculated sentences in introduction and calculated sentences in your body paragraphs. Actually, body paragraph 2 is the replica of the body paragraph 1, and similarly you've got to summarize everything into your conclusion. If you write down everything with in very scientific manners, you are likely to score better, and you will be able to just acquire your desired band scores. Do you think that general reading is key to writing good?
Actually, this is something that you would always say in classes as well, that good readers become good writers. So yeah, reading plays a lot of role, because it not only increases your vocabulary, it actually gives you good sentence structure, because normally you would write in just one way, like in an active voice always, and then you would discover more sentence structures, more ways to present your idea you have in your mind. So yeah, good readers become good writers actually.
Task achievement, and moreover, grammatical grammar and accuracy, grammatical range and accuracy, lexical resource, and cohesion and coherence. Actually, these are the 4 pillars of your essay writing. They are with reference to the examiner's criterion of assessment. Actually, they each plays 25%, and if you are capable of writing down in connection with reference to these criterion of assessment, certainly you are likely to achieve higher band scores. My dear friends, general reading is important. If you are a good reader, you're a good writer. Similarly, if you're a good listener, you're a good speaker. So 2 are your input and 2 are your output. Listening is your input for having the output of speaking, and reading is input for you having a wonderful output of your writing. So keep in your mind all these points. I congratulate once again Mr. Usman Ali, who has lifted our heads with pride by scoring 8.5 band scores in IELTS and 7.5 in writing module of the IELTS. See you shortly. Stay connected. God bless you all. Take care.